Pleasant morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra, an associate professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I'm going to discuss all about system testing and user acceptance testing. Let us see first what is user acceptance testing. The UTA is the last phase of the software testing where actual end user or their representative tests the software to ensure that it works as expected in a real world scenario. In the slide, it explains what is UTA and which is also otherwise called as end user testing or application testing. It focuses on four key aspects: end user focus, real users, not just developers or a QA, and test the system. When we consider the real world scenario, test the mic how the users will interact with the software daily. Requirement validation ensures that the software meets the business and the user requirement. The usability check, it catches the usability issues or a bug missed in a yearly testing phases. The main purpose of this is all about validating the requirement, supports a user task and final quality check and prevent the detect. Validating the requirement is all about a UTA confirm that the software fulfills the business needs defines that the project starts. For example, if a client needs an e-commerce application, UAT ensures it supports a buying, payment, and returns. Support user task, it checks if the software helps user completes his daily workflow efficiently. Final quality check. UAT is the last chance to catch the issue before deployment. Prevents a dead. By catching a problem earlier, UAT reduces the cost, fix after release, and the product company's reputation. How your UAT in software development lifecycle? Where does UAT fits in a software development lifecycle? And it happens after the unit or integration and system testing, and as well as the software quality testings are completed. It's a bridge to production and ensures the software is ready for a real world. And the major key point is all about UAT focus on usability and user satisfaction, not just a technical correctness. The software must be a feature completed and stable before UAT begins. And what performs as UAT is all about the end user or a business stakeholder and the support team. The end user, the people who use a software daily, like employees or the customer, a business stakeholder, product owner, or subject matter expert who ensures the business goals are met. And the support team, the customer support the staff who anticipate the user issue and provides the feedback. We have a multiples of UAT on this. And this multiple UATs where you have a beta testing, operational testing, contractual acceptance testing, and regulated testing too. The beta testing is a way a real world use outside the organization tests the software before the release, like uh, public beta for a mobile application, and operational acceptance testing is all about it checks the system stability, workflow, and compatibility in the operational environment. And the contract acceptance testing, it ensures the software meets a specific client contract's terms. And regulator acceptance testing verifies the compliances with the laws and industrial standards like GDPR for data privacy. And each type addresses the different aspects of readiness, ensuring that software is robust and compliant. The basic key steps in UAT process is all about how is UAT conducted. Plan your UAT, define your scope, objective, timeless, and resources. Design your test scenarios like creating a realistic test cases that mirrors users' workflow like can the user book a flight and execute a test by user runs a test, record the results and note any issues. And reviewing will be carried out by analyzing the feedback, fix the defect and formal approves the software for release. Hence, best practices for an effective EUAT is uh, the involving the users yearly, not just during a testing. And you can also use the realistic scenarios and mic the production environment and documents everything transparently. So the UIT versus your quality assurance, it just simply means clarifies you. Quality assurance is always focusing on bugs and technical correctness done by the tester, while UAT ensures that The software meets the user needs done by the end user. So hence, I conclude this by stating it, UAT is a final step to ensure the software is not just by functional but valuable to the user. It's a key delivery to delivering the product that works and delights. And we can also have a final test assurance of the software, but both functionally and it also useful for valuable to the user. So that is what the main conclusion stating about wrapping up your UAT and quality assurance. Thank you.